This video is about introducing J&R Technology Junior 301 Industrial Video SIP Phone. Product parameter settings are taught using one-stop hands-on training. Connect the network cable to the switching port. Wait 10 to 15 seconds to automatically get an IP. The default username and password for the back end are both admin. No DHCP network available. You can log in using an alternate static IP. Complete the core quick setup after logging in. Customize static IP, gateways, and DNS. SIP communication port 5060. The line account and password need to match what's on the scheduling server. After submission, confirm that the line registration is online. You can check the device hardware info on the status page for inventory management. The machine supports up to 4 SIP lines running simultaneously. Each line can be connected to the dispatch platform individually. Built-in full set of industrial audio and video features. Built-in noise reduction and echo cancellation. Supports waterproof speaker alarm linkage. 10 sets of fast and slow dialing. Zone multicast shoutout. Achieve two-way video intercom. Aborts relays, LED indicator hardware linkage. You can upload a custom WAP alert ringtone.
JR Technology. JR Technology.
Set up a scheduled task. Freely adjust the SIP registration cycle. One-stop remote maintenance tool. Can modify admin permissions. Sync the factory time. Supports configuration backups and upgrades. Call recordings. Network packet captures. Quickly check hardware to troubleshoot problems. JR301 integrated video intercom. Explosion-proof broadcasting. Multi-line dispatch. Widely used in high-risk industrial settings like electricity, oil and gas, and chemical industries.